Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off auto upload of photos to OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate your Microsoft OneDrive app on the bottom right of your taskbar within your system tray. Go ahead and click on it to open your OneDrive. Once the small OneDrive window appears on your screen, direct your attention to the top right part of this window. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is your settings menu. Click on this gear icon to access all your OneDrive configuration options. Now, this is where you'll actually turn off the auto upload feature for your photos. From your settings menu, look at the left navigation panel and click on Sync and Backup. This section controls what content gets automatically backed up from your computer to your OneDrive cloud storage. Once you're in this section, you'll see a button labeled Manage Backup. Click on it to proceed. This button gives you control over which folders are being synchronized between your OneDrive and your local disk storage. After clicking Manage Backup, a list of folders will appear on your screen. These are the folders that are currently synced with your OneDrive, meaning any changes or new files in these folders automatically get uploaded to the cloud. Now, from this list, locate the Pictures folder. This is the folder responsible for automatically uploading your photos to OneDrive. To stop this auto upload feature, simply toggle the Pictures folder off by clicking on the switch next to it. This action tells OneDrive not to sync and upload photos from your Pictures folder anymore, giving you more control over what gets stored in the cloud and helping you save cloud storage space if needed. Once you've toggled off the Pictures folder, make sure to click on Save Changes to apply the settings. This step is crucial because without saving, your changes won't take effect and photos will continue to upload automatically. Give it a moment to process and save your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto upload of photos to OneDrive, and your Pictures folder will no longer sync automatically to the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.